Tour of my campus. Enjoy.
Yeah, boy.
So that's the food part. That's just 2 minutes away from my halls. So that's where I have my breakfast, dinner, and sometimes lunch. Then right over here you exit the food hall and you get all the residences over there. Next I'll show you the gym. So this one is the North Hill Gym. Again, just 2 minutes walk from my residences. So you have the gym right there. And then the hall's right here. And the food court's just over there. So that's Binjai Hall 19A. And I'm in Tanjong 20A. And also, it's not just students, there's also graduates. And also, there's residents here. So you can see sometimes wee kids playing around with their water guns. It's a quite nice day today and clear, no rain. So then over there that's the convenience store that you can buy all your coat hangers, tissues, crisps, creams, shampoos. And just across from that is my halls. So I'm in this one, Tanjong. I'll show you the entrance. So this is Tanjong Hall 28, my block. So the convenience store is there. And over here is my hall. So this is the entrance. So that machine over there is used to pay for the air conditioning. So you get a student card that can be used as like a debit card. You can pay your air conditioning with your student card, or you can pay for a packet of crisps or whatever. So to get in, you've got this fob and you just press this. And open this. So everything opens with this, the toilets, your room and the entrance. And then we go all the way to floor 9. See you at floor 9. Hello.
Door opening.
Hello there.
So this is floor 9. I'm on 113. So you can go this way, you can go this way, and go that way. So my room is down there. So first I'll show you the pantry laundry room. There you go. Okay, so you can get your hot and cold water from here, sink to do washing up. You've got 4 washing machines, ironing board, so you can put your iron there. So yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty small, and each floor has a pantry, so it's pretty good. Next I'll show you the lounge. So this is the lounge, and you can see these residents down there. There's like a wee children play area, so that's a residence block. So in the lounge you get a TV, there's nothing connected to it yet. with green walls, and there's a router there, so you get free Wi-Fi in this lounge. And it's pretty big, and it's got a big echo as well. You've got some red seats, but I've not seen anyone here at all. So it's more like a private lounge for me. But I think each floor is supposed to have them, and people are supposed to hang out in them, but no one hangs out in them yet. Okay, next I'll show you my room. Yay! Oh yeah, by the way, that's the hall, and then they have just like a random bit sticking out, so you can see straight outside, which is quite cool. But I think when it rains it'll get quite wet in here, but when it's quite dry and when it's quite dry like this, it's pretty good, because it just means you get the fresh air coming in. Okay, let's go to my room. Oh yeah, first I'll show you the toilets. So to enter the toilets, you need this key again to press down there, and then hopefully no one's in here. That's good. So you get your sinks, and you just get your normal toilet. So you get like toilets, and see, this one's empty. So you get showers just like that. You get quite a number of showers. And a wee fan, and soap dispensers as well. And then again, when you're brushing your teeth in the morning, it's quite nice, because then you just go. Pretty cool. Right, so that was the toilet. Now we'll go across here into my room. So we just press this, turn twice. Oh, it's my room. It's got a nice fan. You can set different speeds. We got a nice window, a bed, aircon up there. You put your aircon card in here, and you got like a nice wardrobe for space and putting all your clothes in. It's pretty cool. And then you got your bed, and you got actually 3 drawers underneath it, which is pretty good for storing stuff. Then I've just moved in, so I need to tidy everything, but I've got my electrical equipment here. You have sockets down there, an extender there, and then I got Ethernet today for internet, and then got some cards and just water, and I've got my calendar up there. Oh yeah, you get a pin board to stick all your stuff in it. Then you've got a cool mosquito kind of net, so no mosquitoes or insects come through. It just slides like this, just slides. Then outside the window for drying, you have like rails. You can see people down there have rails hanging their clothes just there. So you have these rails, you can hang your clothes, but if they fall, there's a long drop down, so you have to be careful. So I'll put that to the side. It's pretty cool here, you get a nice view. And then you just have this wee bedside cabinet with like these stuff. I just put these here temporarily like right now, like shampoos and everything. Got a wee bin here, my shoes, and that's my desk. So that's my campus so far, and I just moved in. Everything's really busy. I'm trying to sort out everything. Hopefully I can show you some other cool stuff later. Okay, hope you enjoyed this nice tour, 10-minute tour of my campus. So, bye bye.